Hi traders, this is Prakash Gaba here. Nifty view for 30th July 2021. Today was an expiry. The market opened with a gap up, stayed up, and is closed with an indecisive bar. When I look at the bar, it tells me it's an indecisive bar, a narrow range indecisive. What do I see? What I see is the move from down here to an up move. This up move looks reactive. It stopped exactly at this point which I had marked a couple of days earlier. If you extend this line, let's see I extend this line. Where does it go? It is exactly somewhere there. So I need to extend this line further. For today, for tomorrow. I will also extend this line. Same thing I'll extend for tomorrow. Same thing I'll see whether it's important or not. Extend it here. What about this one? I'll extend it this here also. Let's see. To my mind, this move is removed, should be removed. Irrelevant now. When I look at these bars, I know only one thing. It's stopped at this place point. Even if it does go up, it's likely to get stalled here. And this 15,861 has always been my strong resistance zone to work with. So zone of resistance is between 15,861 and 16,000. That's it. That's a zone of resistance. If it goes there, likely to get stuck. When I see this down move from me, this move, 1 day and 2 days up move, this looks reactive to me. It tells me it's gone up to come down. So I'm slightly worried. That's all. If it goes up, likely to find resistance. But if it opens somewhere in these regions, let me say it opens in these regions. In these regions, if it opens up, I think it's a good shorting candidate. That's what I feel. I hope it opens up there. Or if it breaks this zone, shorting candidate. Likely to find support here. Let's see if it finds or not. But structurally it's weak. Let's look at Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank looks better than Nifty. It needs to break out from here, these zones. Once it breaks out, it can go up to the zone of 35,000. So possibly it can go up, travel for 250 points. But what if it opens with a green gap here? Let me extend this line here. I should extend this line also. Maybe I'll expand this block out here. Now what if it opens the gap up here tomorrow? Then I would be say shorting opportunity, that's all. If it opens somewhere here, it can go up. So lines are marked clear, but the move that I see from here to up move, to my mind, not very comforting. I had said yesterday that this looks like a reverse head and shoulder pattern. If it goes up, and can go up and get stuck here. But I also said this move looks weak to me. So even if it's a reversal head and shoulder pattern, it's a weak pattern. I had said that, if you remember it. To my mind, not very comfortable, that's all. Just mark your points and trade your. You should know where to mark the points. That's important. Just any support resistance is not support resistance. Go to know which support, which resistance. That comes out of experience. That's all. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. Happy trading, and yes, enjoy the ride.